Hello everyone, my name is Slim Jallouli and I'm Principal Application Engineer for the IoT and Cloud Application team at ST Microelectronics. In this video, I will show you how you can connect STM32 to AWS IoT Core using Arduino and ExpressLink. First, from the README on the GitHub repo, go to the section 3.4 and then copy this link and then paste it in the search bar and then click enter. So the first one is the Arduino project. So here you will find links on how to install and get started with Arduino and how you can install the AWS IoT ExpressLink Arduino library and also how you can get started with the sensors. I will not cover in this video on how you can install STM32 Arduino to the Arduino IDE. It will be covered in a different video. I will put the link in the description for the video. So first thing, here there are three projects. The first one is a Hello World project, very simple project that sends Hello World messages to AWS. The second one will publish sensor data to AWS. And the third one is a serial pass-through that will create a pass-through between your board and the ExpressLink module and your PC, where you can use a serial pass-through to do diagnostics or configuration or update your board. In this video, I will cover the Hello World project. So go ahead and double click on the project, then the directory, and then open the project with Arduino. So in this video, we assume that your board is already configured and your ExpressLink module registered with AWS. If you don't have your board registered with AWS, you can follow the link in the description on how you can get started and register your board to AWS. Okay, so once the project is open, make sure to update your AWS endpoint, update your Wi-Fi SSID, and update your Wi-Fi password. Next, from Tools, on Boards, so select STM32 boards and then select Discovery. Today, I will be using the STM32 U585 IoT Discovery board. So, okay, and then from Boards, we click Board and then select U585 IoTA. Okay, and once that's done, you can build the project. This operation may take some time, so feel free to pause the video and come back when the build process finished. Okay, now we can see that the build has finished, so we can upload the firmware to the board. Here I'm going to open Teraterm. Okay. So we see that the firmware is initializing the ExpressLink and it's connected to AWS and starts sending hello world messages. So this will be the end of the video. I hope you find it useful and thank you for watching.